Hello, friend Mormo here. I just uploaded my new movie, Epic Fail, The Misadventures of Mormo, and I went through product and then content. So I wrote the description and did the artwork and everything and the title and priced it, and then I uploaded the content, and then I added List Building Maniac. But here we're at the part with Gumroad Discover, and my good buddy Tim was asking me about this, so I thought I'd make a quick movie about it. And it says Gumroad Discover recommends your products to prospective customers, helping you to grow beyond your existing following and find even more people who care about your work. When enabled, the products will also become part of the global affiliate program. So that could be a really good thing. And we want to find films, um, performance, let's say, and tags. Let's just say Mormo, or let's say make money online and boost your product's visibility and Gumroad recommendations. Let's turn that on. Increase your product visibility by setting a higher fee. The higher the fee, the better the boost. So right now it's at Gumroad fee 30%. So let's change it to 70%. And and so that'll give us more of a boost. This is what I was trying to explain to Tim the other night, that you can set your Gumroad fee, and that the higher the fee, the more of a boost you're going to get. And so I'm going to click Save Changes. And now I'm in the Gumroad Discover program, and I'm giving away 70% of my fee, and that's all. Thanks for watching.